Okay, I'm going to talk a little about cubes and cube roots. Okay, if you talk about cubes, okay, when you cube a number, you actually multiply that number by itself 3 times. Okay, just let me write this down. To cube a number, okay, multiply the number by itself 3 times. Okay, so example, if you want to cube 4, so you write it as 4 cubed. 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. Alright, so to cube a number means to multiply that number by itself 3 times. Alright, so we're talking about cube roots. Okay, the cube root, let me just state this. The cube root of a number, okay, when multiplied by itself thrice gives the number. So if you take the cube root of 3, you multiply by the cube root of 3, okay, apologies, okay, multiply by the cube root of 3, what you get is actually 3. Okay, in other words, if you actually cube root 27, you get 3. Or if you cube root a negative number, you can actually cube root a negative number, but you can't square root a negative number. If you cube root negative 27, what you get is minus 3 cubed, okay, and you get negative 3. Alright, so okay, let me just break this down a little bit more. Okay, minus 3 cubed to the power of 3. Cube root can be written as 1/3. According to the law of indices, 3 and 1/3 will cancel, you get negative 3. Alright.